George and I sat on the back of his tank and talked for an hour about home over a K-ration. For once, it didn't taste like paste in a can. It's the weirdest feeling being at war with your best friend there. You feel almost invincible, like nothing can stop you from driving all the way to Berlin and winning that ticket home.
All right, Baker, we can't sit here. Let's clear this road. Your guys can use my tank as cover and keep the crowd infantry off me. Let's go!
Red! Hurry up! Get over there!
Let's move! Wilco! Jerry!
Target that area!
We gotta get around him!
Red! Back down!
I can't shoot there, Sarge!
Take that position!
Got him, kid!
Get them all! Don't let them get away!
Covering fire! He's down!
Red! Move it!
Double time! Got
Suppress those cool assault now! Red! Stay low and go!
Another down!
Keep up the fire!
Suppressive fire! I can't hit him! Firing! I can't hit him!
Roll! Got heavy fire! Right there!
I can't shoot the bastard from here!
That's it! Get him!
No way, Sarge!
Move in and keep up the fire!
I can't hit him!
Red! Move!
Let's go!
Roger! Red! Quick! Get over there!
Move out! Wilco!
Go! Go! Go!
We got crowds!
Red! Fire on that artillery! Heavy base of fire! There! Now!
Got him there! Firing! No way, Sarge! Keep up the line!
Red! Move fast! Go! Go! Go!
That position!
Go!
Gotta get
Keep
around
going!
him.
Don't stop!
Keep moving! Got it! He's down!
Press that goddamn gun! Come on! Get over there! Move now! I need some armor here! Fire on that position! Red! That way! Double time!
Let's move!
Move!
Roger.
Move! Move! Red! Set up there!
Double time! Wilco! Target!
Assault position! Set up there! Red, let's go!
You heard him, let's move! Got it!
I need you over there! Head that way! That way! Full speed! Suppress those bastards! Red! Hit them hard! Get them! Red! Take cover there! Move to that position! Head over there! Give me some armor over there! Red! Go over there! Target them! Park it over there!
They're coming back! There's no way, Sarge! AT!
Take him out!
There, Sarge!
Red! Pick up the artillery! Get that done fast! Hit them now!
I can't shoot there, Sarge! Yeah, that's right.
Roll!
I'm coming back!
Move! Red! Move fast!
Get moving!
Give me a base and fire on that position!
Suppressive fire! Covering fire! Covering fire! There's no way, Sarge! I can't shoot there,
I need you
Sarge.
over there! I need suppressing
Can't
fire!
shoot there, Sarge! Sarge! Get down!
Go, go, go!
I can't hit him! I can't shoot the bastard from here!
Red! Move now! Base of fire!
We're on there! Roger! Covering fire! Hey, go down! I killed him!
Red! Hit that artillery team!
Fire on those crowds! No way, Sarge! Firing!
Take that bastard out!
No one stops firing! Blink him!
Red! Get that one! Ronnie's over there! Get him now!
We'll go!
That way! Full
Here we
speed!
go! Back to my tower! Get on this place!
Red! Get to that cover! Fire!
Got it! Fire!
Move now!
Covering fire! I can't hit him! Fire! Get down! Firing!
Assault!
Covering fire! Get back!
Park it over there! Run that crowd over! Red! I need you over there!
Let's go!
Let's stick together!
Peeled for more! Move out! Roger! I'm only shooting at...
Come on, get over there!
I'm gonna have to shove through it! You have to go! Matt, get the hell out of here! Damn it, I'm out of ammo!
Move now! Suppressing fire!
Pour it on there!
Fire now!
Here we go! Kick it up! Let's go around them!
Cover me!
Pour on the fire! I can't hit him! Covering fire! Get on his flank! Guard! Down! Firing! I'm reloading here! There's no
Another
way,
down.
Sarge!
Move fast!
Let's move!
Set up there!
Double time!
Move it! Don't stop
You heard him,
firing!
let's move! Fire! Roger! Covering fire! Can't shoot the back from here! Covering fire! Pressure's on! There's no way, Sarge! Let's keep up the fire! Reloading! No one stop firing! Strike it! Pendum!
Base of fire! Over there!
Suppressive no way, fire. Sarge! Firing!
Head that way!
Let's go! Wilco!
Go! 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 Let's go! Unload on them!
Move out! Pour it on there! Got it! Here we go! Private Allen, drop another!
Follow me!
Cease fire! Cease fire! Get moving! Roger!
Move to that position!
20
Listen,
eyes! No use
Saw
in
what
hiding.
happened. We've got to
Let's
clear
move.
out of here. We'll have
Wilco!
time to think about it later. DeSola and Corian are back in Beaumont with some guys from the 506. We have to get back and regroup. Sink wants to take St. Com at the crack of dawn.